Look at me. Look at me. Usap tayo, ha? Okay? We'll have a deal. Because this morning, you knocked the door at 4 o'clock in the morning. Ha? You don't do that, okay? Kasi natutulog pa kami. 4 o'clock, nag-scratch ka na dyan, napapasok ka dito. Ha? Okay? Magagalit ako pag ganun, ah. You can come here at least 7 in the morning, okay? Because we need to rest. Look at me, look at me. Tomorrow, you don't knock the door at 4 a.m., okay? Kusilip. Ha? Okay ba? Punta ka lang dito 4 a.m. para magpa-belly rub. Grabe naman yan. Belly rub na yan. Mapalo ko yung puwet imbes na belly rub. Ha? Okay? Oh, sorry na. Oh, sorry na. Okay na. We're, ano na. Peace na tayo. Peace na. Good girl.